I mean, it's moving way more than it was when we were out there.
Well, maybe now that we're in this other shop, turn off the lights.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what are you doing?
I mean, they got an incredible sight. I'm sure they could see us. Hey guys, Mike here at Patriot Coin Rings. Okay, so I've got a little something different today. I've actually got a question for you guys. You know what? You guys have been watching me making rings in this little shed here of mine, and you can see how cramped it is. I actually have two other guys that work for me, disabled vets, because you know that's what this is about, is helping disabled vets out. And it's not just my guys. I'm talking about all the money and the proceeds are going towards disabled veterans charity. That's Dave. And the WWP, that's Wounded Warrior Project. I'm actually thinking of a third one that I've been having a lot of recommendations by others. So that's one question down below in the comments section that you can help me out with. Do you have an organization that's related to our military that would help them out a whole lot that you would recommend highly over any other? What would be your number one thing that you would donate your proceeds to if I were to pick up a third charity? Second, I don't know if this is the type of video that you guys would like to see, but this shop has definitely been overgrown. I have got tools down here that I can't even use. They're, you know, just they're hiding away down in areas I can't. There's just no way of using them. I've already used up my 3-car garage. My 3-car garage is already completely filled. I have just I can tell you last quarter alone, I spent close to $50,000-$60,000, close to it, in tooling, new tooling for the trade. Now, granted, I don't do just rings, even though that's what you guys know me for. I do a lot of custom guns, custom, designs, and gold plating them and tweaking them out, giving them a cartel style, that kind of thing that's really popular. And then I make knives also, but rings are definitely always my love and my passion. But this shop back here has been outgrown. My garage is overgrown, and I've even had to take on an extra bedroom inside my house. So the wife's starting to kick my butt over it. I decided to go ahead and invest, and what I've done is I took out another loan for another $70,000, and I've already had it all blueprinted out. I've got enough yard for it without taking away from the rest of the yard. I've took out a $70,000 loan to build a custom workshop. Now, this workshop has already been blueprinted. I'll show you the designs here in a second. And what I think we need to do at this point is just show you a slideshow of what's been done so far. Luke's been hired by Van Zant?
Me.
Van Zant Construction.
So Jason Van Zandt?
Jason Van Zant.
Oh, Van Zandt.
Push. Good job, buddy. Good.
It's like stuck.
It's not stuck. No, I think the battery is dying. Little, just one more real quick. There you go.
Good job, Luke.
Good job, buddy. Look at that. Tight and everything. Great job, dude. Oh, one more, buddy.